Welcome back everybody, I'm coming at you with another video, and today's video is on how to divide fractions. And I have some good news for you. If you know how to multiply fractions, you will be able to divide fractions. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that if you don't know how to multiply fractions, you will be able to click on a video I made earlier on how to do that. The very first step of dividing fractions is to flip the second fraction and turn this into a multiplication problem. A song I learned in elementary school that helped me remember this was, or it's not really a song, it's more like a jingle, but it's, when dividing fractions, don't ask why, just flip the second and multiply. Okay, now that we've flipped the second, or gotten the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1, we can now multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators to get our final fraction. After fully reducing, we find out that our final fraction is 3 over 2. Division problems can come in many different variants, so let me show you some of the ways that the people creating these problems might try to trick you. This problem is using a division bar, but once we compute it, we know that it will turn into 1/4 divided by 1/2. Then we will flip the second, don't ask why, just multiply. It'll turn into 1/4 times 2 over 1. Now we're ready to solve this equation. And we're going to go ahead and multiply straight across, multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2. And on the bottom, the denominators, 4 times 1 equals 4. 2/4, reduce it, 1/2. Another way to remember how to get the reciprocal of a fraction, shown on the left here, 1/2 equals 2 over 1, is to actually say in your head and in your mind, instead of reciprocal, refliprical. So that always helped me when I was younger. Hopefully it'll be able to help you. As we conclude this video, here's a review of all 3 steps needed when dividing fractions. Once again, if you don't know how to multiply fractions, go ahead and check out my other video on the channel. Subscribe down below to become a mathematical genius. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.